Exercise 63. Pitman shorthand dictation. Ready. Start. In 1858 was set up a Royal Commission on Popular Education in all the nation. The commissioners at their discretion were to arrange examinations, to obtain information from every direction, to the exclusion of none, to call upon physicians, musicians, and educationalists of every class to take depositions when necessary, and briefly to review the general situation so as to secure satisfaction beyond all mere generalization, and so if there had been progression or retrogression, the commissioner's work was sensational in the facts brought out. There was ample justification for the commission, and the adoption of the commissioner's advice was followed by an alteration in the general scheme of national education. Stop.